This quick tutorial will show you how to add social media icons to your professional email signature. For this example, I'll choose this email signature. Note that the template has 3 icons in this area. There are 2 ways to change the icons in your email signature. One is by replacing the existing images. In this way, keep the icon in the same position. The second way is adding a new icon in a row. Click to add a new row, then add social media icons in the area. You can also add icons in the text this way, clicking on the space and adding the new image. In conclusion, you can add links to landing pages, LinkedIn, and Facebook, for example. To do this, click on the anchor icon.